This is a quick fan-made YouTube to introduce BattlePets. I've been having some fun with the BattlePets NFTs, and so I thought I'd share it with you guys so that you can enjoy the space as well. So what are BattlePets? BattlePets are non-fungible tokens, so they're collectible tokens, unique tokens on the Binance Smart Chain network. You can collect pets and make them more powerful. The more powerful your pets are, the more staking opportunities you have and the higher ROI caves and adventures you can go on. But before we get into that, let's go over how you can actually get a pet. So presently there's two ways to get a pet. The first way is going on to BattlePets.finance and going to the pet shop and actually creating a pet. In the pet shop, you can buy pets with Pet, Bake, BNB, or USDT, BUSD. The minimum requirement here is based on the conversion of how many Bake tokens or BNB tokens it takes to get 500 pet. As 500 battle power is the minimum pet requirement to be able to purchase a pet. That's how they determine the minimum Bake requirement to purchase a pet. So if you wanted to purchase a pet, you would connect your Metamask and then come to the pet shop and figure out what you wanted to invest in it, if it's 75 Bake or what have you, how much battle power that'll give you, and then you would create your pet. Your other option is to go to BakerySwap in the NFT marketplace and then purchase a already created pet. You'll see these pets are in a user-driven marketplace, so users create the prices. And you see the battle power you get. So these pets are 100 battle power for 55 Bake. And take note of the pet or Bake you get after abandon. This is based on how much Bake or pet was used to actually create or feed the pet. You get a 95% of what was put into it back once disassembled, if you will. Also note there are pet eggs you can purchase, although note that if you open or hatch one of these eggs, it won't keep the kitten number of the egg when it becomes a pet. So if you purchase a low kitten number, don't expect it to become a low pet number. Once you have a pet, you can participate in battles. So far there's two battle types. One siege battle, where you can select your pet and then fight Cave Guardian. Once you've beaten the Guardian in that cave, you can stake your pet with whatever battle power that pet has will result in how much fruit they're able to harvest today. Each progressively harder cave has a higher ROI returned in fruit a day. There's also tournament battles, so this is player versus player, if you will, where as siege battle is player versus environment. In the tournament battle, you can directly challenge other people's battle pets for the top 50 slots, and each slot is rewarded with a different tier of fruit a day in harvesting. So the first place would get 32,000 fruit a day. Now, to get higher fighting power for the siege battles and the tournament battles, there's two mechanisms. One is you can feed your pets. You can feed your pets with Pet, Bake, or BNB. Most recently, they also added fruit where you can feed your pets with. This will directly increase the pet's battle power. Your other option is to create or equip weapons. So you can forge weapons, again, with Pet, Bake, or Weapon. The minimum requirement here is based on how much Bake it takes, or BNB, Bake it takes to get 500 pet. Because 500 is the minimum power weapon that you can create at this time. So you can create a weapon, or again, you can Or you can go to the NFT supermarket and BakerySwap, select weapons, and you could browse for a weapon and purchase weapon outright through Bake here. Depending on the day, you'll have to calculate personally if it makes more sense to go through the marketplace or to forge weapons. It seems like it changes based on market price, what makes the most sense. So although this is still early in development and this is fan-based content, I just wanted to thank you guys for checking it out, and maybe we'll meet each other's BattlePets on the field.